Today's topic is 10 habits successful and rich people always follow. Have you ever wondered what rich people do differently from the rest of us? How are they able to achieve massive success while we can barely keep up? I thought I would investigate rich people habits in an effort to become more productive and efficient. Self-made millionaires and entrepreneurs have always fascinated everyone. Did they just get lucky or possess some special intelligence or superpowers to get sprinkled with fairy dust? No, they are regular folks who know their purpose and strive towards it daily. We can learn a lot from habits of successful people. Let's take a look at them. So first of all, let's discuss the mindset habits of rich and successful people. Number 1, they keep track of their money. Rich people are more financially literate than an average human. They understand that being aware of their finances is very important. Most are well aware of their net worth and are continuously trying to increase it. They take full responsibility for and control of their financial health. Point number 2, never stop learning. In addition to learning about personal finance, successful people know that there is an infinite amount of things to learn about. They are naturally curious and often infatuated with new concepts, especially those that pertain to their business and career. Many wealthy people are self-employed. They are far more motivated to learn new things than someone who punches a time clock every day, making someone else rich. But no matter their career, successful people want to be experts in their field. They are not afraid of asking questions or for help when they don't yet know something. Point number 3, successful and rich people don't afraid to fail. A common habit of rich people is that they take calculated risks. They are not afraid to try new things because they know there is no such thing as failure. Successful people are not put off when something is not working. They simply edit what they are doing or switch gears. Trying and testing new things is the best and quickest way to know what works and what doesn't. Point number 4, they believe in themselves. Napoleon Hill, in his book Think and Grow Rich, he said, whatever the mind can conceive and believe, it can achieve. In the same way, Henry Ford said, whether you think you can or think you can't, you are right. People who achieve great success in their life start from one common place. They believe they will. Much of life is a self-fulfilling prophecy. You might as well be your own biggest advocate. So stop waiting for someone else to convince you you are good enough or capable of success. Point number 5, they dream big. Successful people don't settle for little tiny goals. They have big, bold dreams, and since they believe in themselves, they don't question those dreams. A big dream means you will aim higher to begin with. Small dreams yield small results. And please don't ever let small-minded people convince you that your dreams are too big. The great danger for most of us is not that our aim is too high and we miss it, but that it is too low and we reach it. Point number 6, they review their goals. Along with their big dreams, rich people know they need to review their goals constantly. They think about them every day and modify their behaviors in support of their goals. That daily reminder of looking at your goals helps with motivation and focus. It will remind you why you are doing and what you are doing. Writing down goals and reviewing them is one of the most common habits of millionaires. Just try it. Point number 7 is they do have patience. Rich people know that wealth and success is a long game. They know their big dreams won't be achieved overnight. This patience and persistence allow them to work hard and make the right decision in long term. Since they believe in themselves and review their goals often, it's much easier to keep their eye on the prize. Now let's discuss the daily habits of successful people. Point number 8, they read for self-development. Despite being very busy individual, almost all rich people make time to read. Especially they read books and other material that will help them grow. Successful people place a high priority on improving themselves, and reading is one of the very best way to do that. Consider reading a personal development book. Not only does it help you stay educated and informed, but it offers you the chance to relax. Point number 9. Be intentional about their daily routine. In addition to their morning rituals, successful people use routine throughout the day to streamline a variety of different processes. Once you have a routine set up, you no longer have to use your brain power to think about what to do next. It's just a more efficient use of your time and energy. Just winging it throughout the day will leave you feeling frazzled and overwhelmed. Organizing your life into routines will help you be a lot more productive and reduce decision fatigue. Rich people tend to put a lot of value on their time. While money is a renewable source, you can always make more. Time is a finite one. Point number 10 is exercise, meditation, and prayers. It shouldn't surprise you that people who achieve great success incorporate exercise into their daily routine. Whether it's part of their morning ritual, they do it to release stress later in the day. Most rich people know the importance of physical activity for their well-being in their body and mind. Try seeing exercise as a privilege, not a chore. Choose an activity that you enjoy, and moving your body will become one of your daily routine habits too. Successful people incorporate meditation or prayers into their daily routine. They realize the benefits of being centered spiritually to reduce stress. This time spent in a reflective state puts your mind into an intentional state of clarified thinking. It also promotes feelings of gratitude and positivity. If you only do one new thing, try incorporating some quiet time for reflection, meditation, or prayer into your life. Even just 5 minutes a day is a great start. In the same way, successful people wake up early to conquer the day. They go to bed at the reasonable time to ensure that they get enough sleep. People who go to bed early are more productive, less stressed, and have better memories, and even tend to be thinner. Try going to bed earlier so you can experiment with waking up earlier. The early morning hours are your best options for having uninterrupted time. Chances are you are not being too productive at night. Instead of watching hours of TV, just go to bed. Sleep is a privilege, not a chore. So finally, as a conclusion, all rich people habits are ones you could incorporate into your life. All realities are comprised of tons of little choices, and you are the one who can change your habits. If you want to be more productive and successful, try changing up your routine a bit. Be more intentional with your time, dream big, and believe in yourself. Or start by going to bed and waking up earlier, exercising, or reading and meditating. You've got nothing to lose. Thanks for your valuable time. Thanks for watching this video.